Which one? Ninth one. Tan theta you take common 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus tan cube theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta d theta by 1 plus tan cube theta. So tan theta equals to t by 1 plus t cube dt. How you integrate 1 t by 1 plus t cube? Partial fractions. T by 1 plus t cube equals to t by uh, 1 plus t into t square minus t plus 1. So it is equals to a by 1 plus t plus bt plus c by t square minus t plus 1, because t square minus t plus 1 is irreducible fact. So t equals to a into t square minus t plus 1 plus bt plus c into 1 plus t. Comparing like terms on both sides, a t square plus bt square 0 minus at plus bt plus ct equals to 1. Constant a plus c equal to 0. So c equals to minus a, b equals to minus a. So minus a minus a minus a equals to 1. So a value is minus 1 by 3, b equals to c equals to plus 1 by 3. So writing a value minus 1 by 3 into integral dt by 1 by 1 plus t plus b value 1 by 3 into t by t square minus t plus t plus 1 or t plus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 plus dt. This is clear, minus 1 by 3 into log mod 1 plus t. What is the integration? T plus 1 linear by quadratic. Linear by quadratic means 1 by 6 2t minus 1 plus 3 by t square minus t plus 1. Directly I am applying, otherwise you can write t plus 1 equal to a into d by dx of t square minus t plus 1 plus b. And you have to find a value, b value. Just I am multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2, 3 into 2, 6. So 2t plus 2. Actually what we get by multiplying with 2, 2t plus 2. 2t minus 1 I am writing because the derivative of t square minus t is 2t minus 1. So to get it to plus 3. So minus 1 by 3 into log mod 1 plus t plus 1 by 6 into 2t minus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 dt plus 3 by 6 is 1 by 2 integral dt by quadratic e minus 1 by 2 whole square perfect square 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2 whole square. Write the answer. Minus 1 by 3 into log mod 1 plus t. T is tan theta plus 1 by 6 into f dash of x by f of x. Log mod f of x and t is tan theta. So tan square theta minus tan theta plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a root 3 by 2 2. 2 will cancel 1 by root 3 tan inverse x by a t minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 t 2t minus 1 by root 3 2 into tan theta minus 1 by root 3 plus some constant. Okay. Next, partial fractions method. 16th one. 1 by 1 plus root x minus x square. Root x minus x square is root x into root 1 minus x. Mhm. Mhm. Root x derivative 1 by root x we have. So root x equal to t. 1 by 2 root x. Otherwise we can take 1 plus root x level. So 1 by 2 root x dx equals to dt. So 2 dt by 1 plus t root 1 minus t square. Root 1 plus t into root 1 minus t square. How you integrate this one? Linear into root quadratic. Linear root quadratic. So 1 plus t equals to 1 by p, another substitution. dt equals to minus 1 by p square dp. Yes, correct. 1 by linear equals to t. In it. So you completed each and everything. So 1 plus t equals to 1 by p. Linear into root quadratic. 1 by linear into root quadratic is linear equal to 1 by p or 1 by linear equal to p. So dt equals to minus 1 by p square into dp minus 2 into integral dp by p square. 1 plus t is 1 by p root 1 minus t square. What is t value? 1 by p minus 1. 1 minus p by p whole square. So minus 2 outside dp by from this p square denominator 1 p will come outside p into p square will cancel. dp by root by taking LCM p square minus 1 minus p whole square minus 2 into integral dp by root what is this one? P square will cancel minus or minus 2p plus 2p minus 1. Direct root linear. So 1 by root x is 2 root x. 2 root 2p minus 1 by 2p by 2. Otherwise you take 2p minus 1 equals to again substitution some y plus some constant c. 2 will cancel minus 2 into root 2 into p value 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 plus c minus 2 into root 2 minus 1 1 minus t is what is t? Root x. So 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x plus 50. Answer. Root x minus 1 root 1 minus x. After rationalize, what will you get? Will you like this? No problem. Okay, understand? Again, if you multiply with 1 minus root x, you will get the given answer. Fifteenth one, root tan theta plus root cot theta, d theta. You can do this problem in two ways. When you see in the textbook, you have NCERT textbook miscellaneous example, they did in terms of tan theta. Otherwise, you can do it is easily in sin by cos. Root sin theta by root cos theta plus root cos theta by root sin theta d theta. By taking LCM, root sin into root sin theta plus cos theta by root A into root B is root AB d theta. So to get sin theta plus cos theta d theta, you have to take sin theta minus cos theta equals to t, substitution. To get sin theta plus cos theta, you have to take sin theta minus cos theta equal to t. Cos theta plus sin theta d theta equals to dt. And so this is dt. What about sin theta cos theta? Take t square, a square, sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 minus t square. Sin theta cos theta equals to 1 minus t square by 2. Substitute here dt root 1 minus t square by root of 2. So into root of 2. Root of 2 into 1 by root 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Sin inverse t. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 6. Another way you see in miscellaneous examples, solved examples, we did. Next, the third one also you have to do like this. Only they have given root tan theta. This type of integrals are duals. Directly we can't solve like this. So you have to take like this root tan theta plus root cot theta plus root tan theta minus root cot theta d theta, but 2 times, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into I1 plus I2 plus C. This is I1. Suppose minus means which are just simple. Here you will get a minus, here you will get a minus. So that here you have to take plus. So you will get for second integral you have to take sin theta plus cos theta equals to some p. So that you will get in terms of root x square minus a square. I think log mod x plus root x square minus a square you will get. Okay, understand? First one again you have to take you have to do the same method. This one, 15 first one. Second integral you have to take you will get sin theta minus cos theta by root sin theta cos theta. So in that case you have to take sin theta plus cos theta equal to t. Or already if you take the second one you take second substitution p. Okay, right? No, we can't. N is natural number, then only we can apply. If you take n equal to 1 by 2, it won't be decrease. It will continue. Where we have to stop? For only natural numbers, we will stop at 0 or 1. And you will get in the negative power. So you simplify it. This one, root tan theta, root cot theta, we have to do dual method. Next, 15th fourth one not completed. That model we will do at last. Total 12 to 13 problems in the same method we have to do. 1 by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. If you see classwork, problem number 33. So in that way, we have to solve all problems. Total 12 problems we will get in the same method. Next, thirteenth one, integral log x plus 1 by log x whole square dx. Log x equal to t. X equals to e power t. Dx equals to e power t dt. E power t log t plus 1 by t square dt. Already we did in the last class. How you do? Log t, problem number in the same page only. Okay. 33rd one. Yes, add and subtract 1. 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 by t square. So for this is f, this is f dash, this is j, this is g dash. So e power t into log t plus or minus 1 by t plus c. Otherwise, you can use this formula also. Integral e power x into f of x minus f double dash of x dx equals to answer e power x into f of x minus f dash of x plus c. Just by adding and subtracting f dash of x, you will get it. Next, put into an integral root 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x dx. 1 minus root x by root 1 plus root x into root 1 minus root x. Tenth one is the 4x minus 3x, you write. Otherwise, okay, we'll do later this one. What is this one? Integral 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x into 1 minus root x. 1 minus x dx. How you do it? Integral 1 by 1 minus x dx, we can integrate it directly. Second integration 1 minus x equal to t square, you take dx equals to minus 2t dt root x equal to 1 minus t square whole square, dx is minus 2t dt by root 1 minus x t, dt will cancel. Minus x, so x equal to, sorry, this is 1 by 2, 1 minus t square x, root x is 1 minus t square, s correct. Minus minus plus 2 into integral root 1 minus t square dt. But this formula not completed. Next exercise. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. And x coefficient minus 1. Plus 2 into 1 by integral root a square minus x square is x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. Next exercise we will get this formula. P is root 1 minus x, 1 minus t square is x. So x into root 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse p root 1 minus x plus the c. Okay? Understand? Root a square minus x square, next exercise we will get out. X by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. Next 10th one. Huh? Integral sin x dx by only sin 4x. Sin 4x means 2 sin x cos x. You can write it. Sin 4x minus 3x. If you write what you get, now use. What is sin 4x formula? Is it possible to write in terms of cos sin 4x? 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2x. Total we have to converting into sin. Cos. But we know cos x. What we have to do? Sin 4x. To cancel sin x, you will get 2 cos x cos 2x. Hmm. Now you multiply with the sin x, sorry, cos x into cos x. So 1 by 4 into cos x dx by cos x into cos x, cos square x, we write 1 minus sin square x into cos 2x, we write 1 minus 2 sin square x. So sin x derivative cos x we have. Sin x equal to t. Cos x dx equals to dt. So 1 by 4 into dt by 1 minus t square into 1 minus 2t square. Partial fractions. 1 minus 2t square minus 1 minus t square into 2 by 1 minus t square 1 minus 2t square. Adjustment 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 2t square plus 2t square cancel. Okay. Minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 1 minus t square minus minus plus 1 by 4 into 2 also outside dt by 1 minus 2t square. Okay. 1 by x square minus a square you have to convert. Minus 1 by 4 into integral dt by 1 minus t square plus 1 by 2 into 2 4 dt by 1 by root 2 whole square minus t. Minus 1 by 4 1 by t square. Okay, 2 2 will cancel and 2 take 2 common from this. Again 2 into 2 4 1 by 2 minus t square. Okay. What is 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by 2a log mod a square minus x square. So a plus x by a minus x. 1 by a 2a log mod 1 by root 2 plus t by 1 by root 2 minus t plus t. Minus 1 by 8 into log mod 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x plus 1 by 4 root 2 log mod 1 plus root 2 sin x by 1 minus root 2 sin x plus t. Understand? Less than 1 sin 4x is 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Second sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin x will cancel. So cos x into cos 2x we have. So to write in terms of sin or cos, here in terms of sin denominator is possible because suppose if you write a cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1, denominator you have all in terms of, suppose what you have actually in the denominator 1 by cos x cos 2x we have. Suppose if you write cos 2x in terms of 2 cos square x minus 1, denominator we have in terms of cos, but we didn't have any terms of sin. Suppose if you multiply with sin x and sin x, there is no use because this is sin x, we cannot converting into cos. So that's why I'm multiplying with cos x and dividing with cos x. So cos x dx numerator we have, and we can convert cos 2x in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square x, and cos x into cos x is 1 minus sin square x. So take sin x equal to t, cos x dx equal to dt. So this is a partial fraction. By taking t square equal to y, and you can easily write the partial fractions in terms of linear factors. Otherwise, some adjustment directly. So that 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Okay, understand? Next, Add this one. Next, homework problems. Page number 29. Page number 29. Homework. Homework objective. 18th one. Sin x by sin x minus cos x dx. We did this one, a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus b cos x. Otherwise, some simple adjustment, sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x by sin x minus cos x dx. Cos x will cancel, 2 sin x will get, so to cancel to 1 by 2. Sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x dx plus 1 by 2 into both are same 1 dx. Sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x minus minus plus sin x. So this is f dash of x by f of x log mod f of x plus 1 dx is x plus c. Otherwise, this is the model a sin x plus b cos x by c cos x plus d sin x dx. Next, any doubts in homework? The same models maximum we are covered. We covered already in classwork on. Question number 32. X square by x power 4 plus 1. No short method. We have to do partial fractions only. That already I told 12 problems you will get in that method. Divide with x square. 1 dx by x square plus 1 by x square. So 1 you write 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square dx whole by x square plus 1 by x square dx, uh, and 1 by 2 extra, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square by splitting dx by, here you have to write x minus 1 by x whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by x square dx, while in the x plus 1 by x whole square minus root 2 whole square. So answer 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus a square. See, x minus 1 by x equal to t, 1 plus 1 by x square equal to dt. So 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus second one, if you take x plus 1 by x equal to t, 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. dt by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. Completed answer. This is the answer. Next is simplify it. 1 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, 4 root 2 into log mod, simplifying what you get, x square plus 1 minus root 2x, x square plus 1 plus root 2x plus 3. While in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps completed. That's why I told you we will do that 12 models. Each and every problem we do in the same method. Okay. Remaining you do next class. Next week we will continue. Enough, I think maximum we will covered all. Okay. If you have any doubts, you send in the WhatsApp.